Hi Aquarius, this is your career reading for the month of June. I'm going to look at your energies at this time and see what is coming to you in this time period. This is strictly for the sun sign of Aquarius. So, Aquarius, what is affecting you in this time period is you want to be in a partnership with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or you want stability in your life. You want to look after your family. You are also very sharp in this time period. You are looking at long term goals. Some of you are looking after your children and you want some good future for your child. So you could be having a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius kid, and you are going to look after them, or you could be dealing with any sign child. So you want your family, your child, your business, your economy to do well. With the Page of Wands and Ten of Pentacles, you are having enthusiasm in this time period. You are looking at a long term goal with enthusiasm. You and your partner may be looking at a common goal in this time period. With the Chariot card, you are going to fix on a target, focus on that, and you want to advance towards that with great alignment. So basically, the two opposite forces in a couple are going towards a shared situation, a common goal, and moving towards it. If you are married, if you are not married, then your boss, your colleagues, someone will be partnering with you in this time period to achieve goals in your profession. If that is also not the case, then it means that you are going to have the earth energy and the air energy working with each other and moving towards with great enthusiasm, fire in your belly. You are moving towards your long term targets and achieving triumph in the end. And what's happening is you could have gone through a very stressing or stressful situation. With the Ten of Wands, you are finishing or completing one journey, one level in this time period. With the Ten of Pentacles and Ten of Wands, it was an arduous journey, it was difficult. With the Nine of Pentacles, you are in a very good space. You have made all and everything good for you. You have created an environment, an economy that is vibrant. You are self sufficient. And with the Six of Swords, you are coming out of any problem, negativity, or tension in this time period. So it is a good situation finally. With the Knight of Swords energy, decisions in this month will be taken which will be fast. You will be taking yourself fast from situations and moving towards prosperity. With the Eight of Wands, it is going to be a very progressive situation. You are looking towards great results for someone or yourself. With the Wheel of Fortune, the wheel is turning very fast and it is bringing in fortune for you. You are hoping for the best with the Three of Wands energy. So the World and the Emperor is your underlying energy. So World and the Emperor means the best in money. It is dominance in a profession. It is, having power away from your home, power in a foreign country. Some of you are abroad, you are getting a leadership position. If you are having a team and if you are already in a leadership position, your position will be strengthened. If you are somewhere where you are feeling a bit inferior or you are feeling some imbalance in your life, you will have the power, the success, and World is coming in with the Emperor. This means a whole setup will change, and leadership will be offered to you. You will be recognized as a leader. You can take dominance in your economy. You can be the best person or a person who has enough power, authority, riches, and is doing very well in this time period. So Aquarius, this is a great combination. This has not come for anyone when I was doing career reading. So many of you are going to have this great dominance and connection with different parts of the world. You could be a leader in a multinational, or you could be going towards achieving great situations in a big change in this time period. So many of you are shifting your gears, shifting from one to the other. You are becoming the head of an organization, getting out of a old taxing stressful role and getting into a new situation. You are waiting for some information to come in. With the Page of Wands, good news can come in. Nine of Pentacles is your advantage. Whatever you have done so far is going to reward you. Time has come to enjoy the power, the self-reliance that you have. So many of you could be becoming your own economy's leader. You are going to take care of yourself in this time period and doing very well. King of Wands energy is what is troubling you. You could be feeling a bit unhappy with a fire sign, that is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or you could be wanting a business or your own thing or a hobby, or you want to have an adventure that is not happening in this time period because you could be tied to something. So victories are your outcome. With this Six of Wands, you will be getting some attention in this time period. You will have the consolidating energy of the King of Swords and the Queen of Swords. Intellectually, you will be in a very good way, having a great partner. It could be you in your personal life, or it could be in your career situation where there is a partner who is intellectually equivalent to you. So yin and yang of intelligence is with you. So you are well informed, you are well educated, you are very, very sharp and shrewd, and you have great plans. So with the Three of Pentacles, you will get good support, or you will be creating a team that is full of value for your organization, or you will be launching your own company. But something tells me that you need to work on your personal life as well. You could be working very hard, so you need to take rest in this time period. So some of you are sacrificing a lot in your life. Some of you sacrifice because of your hard work. So you have to get out of this pressing situation in your life. So it could be affecting your health. So you are going to have a great situation in your life with the Three of Pentacles, great support system. You are in the consolidation mode. You are going to win great in this time period. So you are in toil and labor. You could be working very, very hard. Some of you are well paid, but this card shows that value for money is like you are giving your life for some kind of job. With the wedding card or the marriage card, some of you are getting married, or your marriage is working out for you. You could be having a great partner in this time period who is self-sufficient, who is practical, who has great spousal energy, and who could be driving you towards success. There is some kind of concern regarding someone. It could be a child, like I told you. So you are expecting a child. Maybe some of you are pregnant, some of you are looking forward to having a child. With the official person, something is becoming official. A marriage could be official, a new project association could be official. Someone is bringing in news of a new job. Something good is going to happen in your economy with the world and the emperor. You are going to be in a great position. So let's read out the Lenormand. Card number 25, marriage is imminent in your family, or marriage of yourself. Relationships could be solid. Advantageous contracts can be made. Accepting a firm proposal after clarity is recommended. A fundamental emotional choice will be made in this time period. You are optimistic, confident about your feelings. A pleasant novelty will ease your difficult situation. Advantageous contract, tempting business opportunities, victorious at every hurdle. With the help of those who love you, you have made great progress. Good understanding in family and couple stimulates you to giving your best at work too. Good news will ease a standstill, which will put you on top gear. Advantageous contracts, growing professional role, career could be at apex, well remunerated functions. Economic situation will be great. Material comfort, physical comfort will be around you. Triumph over difficulties, wealth will increase. Great luck, extraordinary business opportunity can come to you in this time period. So amazing situation for you, Aquarius. Good that I read your cards today. You had the best hand. So I wish you all the best. If you are still going through some issues, you can contact me for a personal reading. These readings are prepaid, pre-booked and pre-slotted, so decide and then write to me. My email ID is there in the description box. You can also look up the membership option, and keep watching these readings. These readings sometimes pull surprises and they are absolutely accurate. So definitely it will resonate with 80% of the Aquarians. So if you have your friends who are Aquarius or any other sign, you can share my readings with them. Thank you so much. Bye bye.